Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door spring retainer on your dishwasher. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the retainer is broken, damaged, or missing, and the spring isn't staying on the retainer. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So on each side of our dishwasher, we have one of these door spring retainers here. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up on the retainer here, like so, and just gently let that back down into place because there is tension on that spring. And now the retainer will come off the spring like so. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement spring retainer, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll take our spring and put it up into that slot right there. And now we'll hook our retainer onto our spring like so, right through that hole. And then we'll stretch our spring and retainer here and put it right into that slot on the door. And now we'll test everything out by opening and closing our door. So you'll see their spring stretches and contracts back into place, and our door opens and closes nice and smooth. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.